All right, lovely 5-6B and 5-6P. So for your reading today, we have been touching base on visualizing this week. So this is one of our focus on reading strategies. We've been practicing having a text read out loud to us, or reading a text in our minds and being able to visualize what's actually been what an illustration of that text would actually look like. So visualizing means creating an image in your mind while reading that reflects the characters, events, topics, or information in the text. Writers often use language to appeal to our senses, so sight, sound, smell, touch, and taste. This is all called sensory language as it uses our senses. So this kind of language helps us to picture in our minds exactly what is happening in the text. To create these images, you need to concentrate on what you are reading. This can improve your understanding of the text. Visualizations can keep evolving or changing and adapting throughout a text. The more you practice this skill, the easier it will become. And this week I've really enjoyed looking at your illustrations on what you have visualized as you are reading. So how exactly do we visualize? So while you're reading, you need to ask yourself the following questions to help make visualizations about the text. So what exactly is the author describing? What kind of words are they using? What kind of language? Have they got adjectives describing how big, the color, the detail, the texture? How is the author appealing to the five senses? So sight, smell, touch, feel, all those kinds of things. Which words from the text can help me draw a picture in my mind? So these are things such as adjectives. The more descriptive language that they're using in the text, the better and more detailed the picture is that you're going to be able to build. How can my own knowledge help draw me a picture in my mind? How can my visualizations help me to understand the text? All right, guys, so I'm going to read out loud and I'm going to put the text on the screen in a second for you guys, but I'm going to read the text out loud and I want you to close your eyes as I'm reading it. And I want you to try and paint the picture in your mind. It's exactly what it is that you are visualizing as I'm reading. I want you to listen to it again after that, and then I would like you to, like we did on Monday, draw an illustration of what it is exactly that I'm reading. Right. This text is called the desert. The cracked and bare earth sat despairingly beneath the hot and blazing sun. The sand dunes, yellow with shimmering gold, undulated gently in the distance. A dusty odour permeated the air. The gentle pattering of rain had not been heard in this silent landscape for many years now. A collection of rocks, some large, some small, sat lifelessly on the hot desert floor. Above them, white wispy clouds scribbled patterns across the turquoise sky. What a strange and lonely landscape this was. Not a hint of life to be seen anywhere. Could life even survive in such a place as this? Alright guys, I want you to maybe replay it and listen to it a second time round, and then I would really like you to draw or illustrate what exactly you are visualizing in your mind as I'm reading this text out loud. Once you've finished that, I would like you to attach a picture of your illustration onto the next slide. All right, good luck, guys.